Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure the iPhone and the TV share the same Wi-Fi network because AirPlay needs that link. On the iPhone, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon. This searches for receivers. On the TV, enable AirPlay in Settings or switch to the dedicated AirPlay input so the phone can see it. Once visible, select the TV name. You'll begin the connection handshake and see a preview on screen as the stream initializes. After selecting the TV from the AirPlay list, you may be asked for a 4-digit code shown on the TV. Enter it to authorize. You can stream directly from an app using the AirPlay button or choose screen mirroring to show the whole display. Apps usually use a higher quality, while mirroring replicates gestures. Once connected, adjust orientation and aspect ratio and control volume from the iPhone. This makes playback smooth and keeps the TV as the primary output. To stop, return to Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring or use the AirPlay icon inside the app and choose Disconnect. That cleanly ends the session. If you see lag or stutter, move the iPhone closer to the router, disable VPNs, or restart the router to reduce interference. If AirPlay won't connect at all, make sure both devices run the latest firmware and iOS, then repair the devices. This resolves most handshake problems and restores reliable streaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.